eccentric design increases the moment arm length and increases the cutting force. According to the test, the higher efficiency pliers can save more than 35% of the force than the ordinary pliers. The widened handle and ergonomic design make the grip more comfortable. Larger contact surface for more comfortable use. The pliers is labor-saving and comfortable, which can improve your work efficiency. The hanging hole is convenient for hanging and can prevent falling when working at height. The pliers can cut paper, steel wire, aluminum rivets, steel nails, steel cables, and precision screwdriver bits. It has more functions: gripping, deburring, loosening nuts, pulling wires, removing damaged screws, and pulling out nails. WORKPRO Higher Efficiency Pliers. Choose the tool that works for you.